The next thing, a quadrilateral has four sides. Sorry, four vertices. So four vertices. What is a vertices? So vertices comes from a word vertex. Okay, so vertex means corner. So a quadrilateral, see here, quadrilateral ABCD has four vertex. They are A, B, C and D. Vertex means corners where two sides meet together. So A is a vertex where side AB and side AD meets. B is a vertex where side AB and CD meets. C is a vertex where side DC and BC meets, and D is a vertex where side AD and DC meets. So we come to know here that a quadrilateral has four vertices. We can name it like A, B, C and D. The next we have, in a quadrilateral we have four angles. Okay, see, this is first angle, this is second angle, this is third angle and this is fourth angle. So we only have four angles here now. So we can here write that a quadrilateral has four angles. Okay, the way of writing the names of an angle is we can simply write angle A, or to this A we can also write angle DAB. So if we are saying that angle DAB, this simply means this angle. So to angle A we can also write angle DAB, or to the same angle we can write angle BAD also, or angle BAD. So this one angle can be called by the three names, which is angle A, angle DAB or angle BAD. Similarly, we have three more angles. They are angle B, angle C or angle D. Okay. So the other two names to this angle is angle ABC or angle CAB. The other names for this angle is angle BCD and angle DCB. Similarly, we can name this angle by ourselves. Okay. What next we have here? We have diagonals. Diagonals. So how many diagonals does a quadrilateral has? So firstly we should know that what is a diagonal. So a diagonal is a line that connects two opposite vertices. Okay. So A and C are two opposite vertices. If we join these two vertices by a line, then we get to know that AC is a diagonal, and the next we have BD, another diagonal. So we can only make two diagonals here. Okay, so a quadrilateral has two diagonals. Okay, so the name of these two diagonals are AC and BD. I hope you understood what a diagonal is. A diagonal is a line that connects two opposite vertices, okay, of a polygon. Okay, now the next thing is adjacent sides. Adjacent word means side by side. So AB के साइड कौन सी लाइन है? दिस BC. So AB and BC are two adjacent sides. Similarly, this BC is also adjacent to DC. So we can say this BC and DC are also two adjacent sides. AD and CD are two adjacent sides, and AD and AB are two adjacent sides. So what do we get to know here? We get to know here that two sides of a quadrilateral having a common endpoint are called adjacent sides. Suppose we talk about this AD and BA. So AB and BA have this A as common point. So two adjacent sides have one common vertex. Okay. Similarly, what we have next here, opposite sides. So opposite means one in front of other. So AB and CD here are opposite sides, BC and AD here are opposite sides. So we can define them like this: two sides of a quadrilateral having no common endpoint are called opposite side. See, BC and AD does not have any common endpoint. In AD we have A and D as endpoints, and in BC we have C and B as endpoint. So there is no common endpoint in between AD and BC. Okay, I hope you